The general public, especially parents and caregivers, have been called upon to provide their children for polio vaccination and other routine immunization as a way of creating awareness and resources for the final push to eradicate polio in the society. The Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Primary Health Care, Dr. Muhammad Ghana, made the call to commemorate the 2025 World Polio Day held at the General Hospital, Mina. Correspondent Habiba has more.
Representing the Permanent Secretary, the State Health Education Officers from the Ministry of Primary Health Care, Usman Alhaji Mohammed said, polio everywhere requires continued political commitment and financial support from all sectors, governments, development partners, civil societies, and the public by reaffirming the ministry's commitment to achieving a lasting polio-free society.
Today is a set-aside week to celebrate World Polio Day globally. Ministry of Primary Health Care is committed, which support the process to see how we can be in terms of logistics and in terms of demand creation and in terms of manpower development to see how we can coordinate to see to overcome polio issue in Niger State in particular. We have about 25 local government in the state and 175 wards that are social responsibility to see how we can create awareness, people to understand, to our gatekeeper to understand the concept of World Polio Day. This thing is globally, as I earlier stated, and we are here to celebrate our own within metropolitan local government to see how we can coming together with WHO, UNICEF, and Red Cross and Rotary are also part of NYC are also here to see how we can support all these polio survival group in Niger State.
In their remarks, the development partners said polio eradication has always been an extraordinary ambition where the world is brought to the edge of achieving it, stating that each campaign, each surveillance sample, each outbreak means children will be free from paralysis and every other form of disability in life. Also speaking, the chairman polio affected persons in Niger State, Malam Awal Muhammad, and a member said they are celebrating the day to see how far they have come in life in fighting poliomyelitis and other child killer diseases by educating parents, especially mothers, to avail their children during routine immunization exercise in the state. They commended the state government development partners, well-to-do individuals, by coming to their aid in providing succor to ease their suffering so life can be easy for them.
We are celebrating World Polio Day every October 24. We are celebrating this day in order to look back how far we have gone in the fight against poliomyelitis and other child killer diseases. Then we will also look how we are going to plan ahead or forge ahead in order to see how we are going to eradicate poliomyelitis in our society.
My call for mothers is immediately you give birth to your child, please go to the hospital and do all the necessary things. Make sure the killer diseases it should be given to your child since from birth. Yes, the BCG and the monthly routine. Make sure that you get that injection, that vaccine for your child since day one, and it will help because you can see. Yes, you will go through. As a mother, you will go through. You will go through a lot if you refuse to go and give your child the necessary things to do since from birth. Yes, because polio is something that affects the physical health of a child. Please, I'm calling all mothers should try and go and do the needful.
Highlights of the event was roadwork from Emir's Palace to General Hospital Mina, where stakeholders were tasked to strengthening the systems, workforce, and network that sustain immunization outbreak preparedness and resilient health services. Every 24th October is World Polio Day with this year's theme, End Polio, Every Child, Every Vaccine, Every Year, Everywhere. From the General Hospital Mina, Habiba Dauda reporting for NSTV News.